Hello. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit more about my family. This is my presentation, My Family, by me, Javier Monia. This is my father, Javier. He is a retired military veteran and is currently a state trooper. His favorite hobby is cooking and doesn't like cleaning. This is my mother, Ledis. She is a housewife and works part-time in a salon. She likes to host gatherings at our house and hates it when things are disorganized. This is my older sister, Martha. She is a receptionist at a hospital. Her favorite color is pink and loves being bossy. These are my cousins. From left to right are Lisette, Carlos Jose, Jose Carlos, Diana, and Camilo. They love to party and spend time with their significant other when they have free time. This is my younger brother, Jonathan. He is currently a junior in high school and loves to play basketball. This is my uncle, Omar. He is a principal who loves to spend time with his daughter and wife. This is my aunt Dulis. She is a social studies teacher who loves to spend time with her family and hates spiders. This is my grandmother Marta. She loves knitting and cooking mote de queso for her grandchildren. And this is my grandfather Carlos. His favorite hobby is playing pool and loves to have family gatherings to tell stories. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you know a little bit more about my family. You have a blessed evening.